You guys, so we have a nice promo in the clothing section. So this is on apparel, shoes, accessories, bags. When you spend $40 or more, you're going to get $10 off, and when you spend $75 or more, you're going to get $20 off. This is a dollar amount off coupon. It's not a gift. You get a gift card back. So I love when there's no gift cards involved. And what's even better is you can do it on clearance items. So just check out your clearance all throughout the store. So if you know someone who is in the market for a new handbag, this is on sale for $19.98, but just keep your eyes peeled. There's tons of clearance at my store. There's even clearance on like shoes. Just look through your whole entire store and you never know what you're gonna find. So I love when these deals roll around where it's spend an amount and get a dollar amount off, and it's not you get a gift card back. So really great deal. There's a little deal with the clothing. So check the toddler cat and jack. So the pants, like the toddler jeans, these guys are priced for $10 each. So what you do is buy 2 of them for $20, and then go ahead and pick up 2 of these shirts that are marked for $5.50. You could buy 2 of them for $11, so your total is going to be $41. And then you can use that 10 off 40 coupon, so you will end up paying $31 for 2 little toddler outfits. So it makes it about 15 bucks each, which I think is a really great little deal on some toddler clothing. So you can do this in the kids section, you can do it into the toddler section, the baby section. So this is a really great time to go ahead and stock up on some clothing, especially if you're not like a big couponer and you just want a little bit of a deal and you get a little overwhelmed with coupons. This is the deal for you, especially since you can do this online. Okay, so this week through Wednesday, when you spend $50 or more in Lego, you're going to get a $10 Target gift card. So what I suggest you guys doing is go ahead and cash in your Fetch Rewards gift cards, go and cash in your Ibotta gift cards, get a Target gift card, and then use these gift cards on Lego. So this is a nice promo, especially since a lot of those toy deals that we get, if it's spend $100, get $20 off in toys, most of the time they exclude Lego. So now is the time to go ahead and buy for Lego. You can also do the Duplo sets as well. So remember, it's spend $50 and you're going to get a $10 Target gift card. Just text Lego to 827-438. Hey guys, so this week when you spend $50 or more in beverages, you're going to get a $10 Target gift card. So to get this, you just need to text grocery to 827-438, and what I suggest you guys doing is combine high value Cartwheels. So there's currently a 40% off Target Cartwheel for Pepsi. This is amazing, you guys. And so if you want, you could just load up on soda, get it at 40% off, and then get your Target gift cards. This is great. And then hold on to those gift cards and roll them for Black Friday. So great promo and great Cartwheel, 40% off of Pepsi. We also have a 40% off Target Cartwheel for the Schweppe ginger ale. So this is a really nice Target Cartwheel as well. And also the Crush is 40% too. You do not have to go with the 12 packs. You can just come in here and get some 2 liters as well at 40% off. And you can also do 50% off 2 liters of Pepsi, which is a great deal here because they are 5 for $5. So you could buy 5 of them for $5, do the 50% Cartwheel, and you would get 5 of them for $2.50. I'm in the other aisle. There's a family there with a bunch of kids, and the mom keeps telling them not to touch anything. A toddler in the Christmas aisle telling them not to touch anything. It's a little unrealistic, don't you think? Okay, so the Vans gluten-free waffles, there is a 30% off Target Cartwheel that you guys can add to your barcode. So it makes these guys $2.02. You take about 86 cents off. So it comes out to $2.03. So this is the best way to work those gift card promos. When you buy 50, get 10. It's gonna go before coupons and before Cartwheel discounts. So really great deal. Okay, so if you hate baking for Thanksgiving, head in here and get a Sara Lee frozen dessert. You can do pie, cheesecake. The cheesecake is $4.99. It's gonna be $3.50 after that 30% Cartwheel, so great deal. Okay, so another deal you can do is on the Simply orange juice. So there is a 20% off Target Cartwheel for this guy, and if you add orange juice into your cranberry sauce, head to Target, get it for 20% off. So this could make for a good deal on orange juice. Alright you guys, so we have a great deal on Pillsbury here at Target again. So this is a repeat deal. So tons of Pillsbury products are, there's a 25% Target Cartwheel. So I picked up these cinnamon rolls. These guys are priced for $1.79. And there's $1 off on 3 coupon from the 1111 Smart Source. So when you combine the Cartwheel and the coupon, these come out to $3.03 for 3 of them, or $1 and a penny each. So really great deal, and this is a quick and easy breakfast to put in for Thanksgiving morning. So great deal on Pillsbury. And this is a great way to get your total to $50 with that spend $50 in grocery, get a $10 gift card back. So this is how I like to work those grocery deals, is I like to combine coupons and high value Cartwheels. Okay, so we have a deal on the CoverGirl So Lashy. So there is a 40% off Target Cartwheel. So it's priced for $7.89 at my store. So with that 40% off Cartwheel, you're gonna get down to $2.47. And then there's a $2 printable coupon on coupons.com. So it makes it $2.47. Okay, so we have a great little deal on these ceramic mugs. So these guys are buy one, get one 50% off. So you would buy, let's just rent it for $5. So you'd buy one for $5 and get the second for $2.50. So you can get 2 of them for, hello.
This is all hot.
I think he sees Mickey.
I like that.
So you get 2 of them for $7.50. So pretty. All right, so I know you guys are stocking up on your guys's pictures that you're getting from Walgreens, those free 8x10 prints. So head to Target and you can get buy one get one 50% off of frames, but it does exclude the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia, and it excludes clearance. But you know, when you're getting all these prints, you need something to put it in. So head to Target. They have a ton to choose from, and these are all really nice quality. So great gift idea. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and if you're not signed up for Fetch Rewards or Ibotta, there's going to be links below in the description box. You guys need to sign up with Fetch Rewards. When you submit your first receipt, you're going to get a bonus 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2. Minimum cash out is $3, and when you submit your first receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get a free $10. You guys, you need to start this week if you want to build some gift cards for Black Friday shopping. And my P.O. box is open for Christmas cards. So actually, I'm going to run a giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away a CVS gift card, and I'm going to be giving away a Target gift card. And to be entered to win, just send a Christmas card to my P.O. box. And I even have a little container where all of the return addresses are going to go into this box, and that is how I'm going to draw the winner. So and any card that I receive, I'm actually going to write back to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.